long period of time, I started to make educational content here on the Goat Funded Trader YouTube channel. I started with simple ideas about trading. I continued with reading the market structure. I continued with identifying the break of structure, minor break of structure, sub break of structure, when to use them, when to avoid them, how to integrate them into our analysis. And today I want to continue these lessons with another one, which is about change of character and false change of character. Two confluences that are really important in my trading plan. I've been using the change of character and false change of character for a long period of time already. It's been tested. A lot of profitable traders use it too. So today I thought that it would be the best thing to integrate it in the lessons for the Goat Funded traders too. By the way, if you're not familiar with what we're doing, we are a pro firm made by traders for traders, and I invite you to see more information on the website. I consider that we kind of have the best rules in the market and also a lot of benefits for the traders. We have no minimum trading days, first payout on demand, swap-free variant for the accounts, a really low spread. And also, if you want to see more benefits about Goat Funded Trader, please check the description box where you will find all the information. Before starting with the educational video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also to leave a comment below suggesting us what we should improve with Goat Funded Trader. So what is exactly a change of character by definition, guys? And immediately after that, I will go on charts and I will explain you exactly what I said here. So first of all, a change of character represents exactly the moment when a higher low, meaning a bearish change of character, or a lower high, bullish change of character, is taken out. The movement is kinda aggressive because we consider it valid either way. Week to week, week to body, body to body, or week to body. We use it especially on lower time frames, or at least I use it on lower time frames because I'm more of a scalper or a day trader. I don't usually swing trade when I'm looking for my entries. For example, as a day trader, like I said, when I watch the bias on daily 4 hours, 1 hour, the change of character on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute is pretty important. We can use this in our favor and take an entry out of it. There are multiple ways to take an entry and you'll see it soon. Like I said, I will continue this video on charts, but first of all, let's read a bit. I feel like reading the definition first is really important, and taking some notes in the same time, again, is really important. Attention, a change of character is only valid when a break of structure happened before and when it comes from a POI. Here, I want to mention the fact that I made this course like 2 years ago, so I tend to disagree with this one. In the past, our POI is usually an IC or a zone that includes an IC, refined supply or demand. Right now, I tend to say the fact that it doesn't necessarily have to start from an IC, it doesn't necessarily need to start from an order block or a supply or demand area. Sometimes it can start from an imbalance area. So this rule, I don't consider it relevant anymore. POIs worked in the past. Right now we search for liquidity when we are taking trades. We don't really trade in the smart money concepts way. So here again, for the sake of the example, on the left we have an area of interest. Again, I mentioned the fact that it can be whatever, imbalance, supply, demand. In this example, it's a supply because this is a bearish change of character. It can be whatever. You don't have to wait for the price to come and mitigate the POI exactly at the 50% of it in order for you to take a trade. So POIs are not valid anymore. You take the whole area, the whole zone, as a point of interest. So as you can see, there was a bullish leg over here. The price was bullish. There was no intention of the market to go bearish until this moment over here. And what exactly happened in that moment? The price changed its direction and this lower low formed below this lower high. So this is an aggressive movement. This is the change of character. This is our first sign that the market might change its direction. So after that, there is a lower high being formed, and after we see that, the price continues bearish. So we consider a change of character happening after a sub-break of structure. If you don't know what a sub-break of structure is, please visit the lesson. I posted it here on Goat Funded Trader YouTube channel. Break of structure is happening, then a lower low is formed that is below this lower high over here, and then we search for an entry. However, this is tricky and I will explain you later why. This change of character can be invalidated. It can be a fake change of character. That will be another confirmation for us to take a trade, but again, I will talk about this a little bit later in the video. This is an example on Euro USD on 2 minutes. I'm a scalper again. So this is exactly what I'm looking for taking entries. This is the break of structure over here, the sub-break of structure. This is the high, this is the low, and this is the break of structure that is happening. The price touched something inside this supply area. It had a lot of liquidity being built over here. It took the liquidity and then the market switched sides. It went bearish. But when exactly did it went bearish? When this lower low was formed, this lower low formed below this higher low over here, we observe the change of character from the bullish leg to the bearish leg. Let's have a look over here in this example. This is an example of a fake change of character. So the first change of character that I see is happening over here. I'm gonna use the replay button and I will show you exactly what happened. This is the Asian session followed by the German one. But however, even if a break of structure happened, followed by a change of character formed from week to week, let me remove the indicator. As you can see, it happened from this week to this week. The price didn't start to go bearish exactly from here. It needed to sweep the liquidity from this high and then to continue bearish. As you can see, right, went up. There's a strong rejection over here. Let's see exactly what happened on the left. All right, so it was this whole supply area that was sitting right above this high. And then after this movement happened, the price melted. Why did it happen like that? First of all, remember that price needs a lot of liquidity. If the price doesn't have liquidity, if the market doesn't have liquidity, the trade is most likely to not happen. So this is exactly what we are seeing here. The first change of character over here on 15 minutes was invalidated by this huge move over here. This high was taken. I consider this a false change of character. The price mitigated something inside this area, this huge area, and then it gave us the bearish reaction that we were looking for. This is considered a sub-break of structure for our next change of character, which is the valid one, which is this one. So this is the right 15-minute change of character that happened from wick to body. Yes, most of the times I consider that the wick to body change of characters or the body to body change of characters are more stable than the week-to-week change of characters. I consider this valid too because the movement is quick. We have to be fast in order to have the best entry, in order to catch the trade from the start. So that's why we consider this valid too. But however, if this happened in another confluence for us to know for sure that the trade is more likely going to be in our favorable direction. Also, another important part here is the false change of character that happened right before the move. If we have this, we know for sure that the market has enough liquidity. The market tried once to go down, and right now it has enough momentum to go down. So as you can see, this is a clear sign over here that the price is going to go bearish. And if you didn't catch the movement from the start, you can catch it on the go. However, when you saw the first change of character and you knew the market structure overall, you expected it to go bearish, like this is enough for you to go. Here, as I can see, the price turned somewhere around here in the imbalance area and probably continued the movement. Let me look for it. Yeah, that's right. After that, it melted. Because again, the price sometimes doesn't move from POI to POI, doesn't move from institutional candle to institutional candle, from order block to order block. Sometimes it starts from the imbalance area too. So what we had here, 15-minute change of character, a false change of character, mitigation of this white area, an immediate reaction, and if you didn't catch it from the start on lower time frames, because maybe you didn't have an opportunity, you could have caught it somewhere around here. As you can see, refined on 1 minute. There was some kind of refined supply over here. It made sense, but however, if I took a trade over here, I would simply cover this entire area and then put my target accordingly. That's it for now. I hope that this video helped you even a bit. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, to visit our website, to try our challenges, and also to navigate through our YouTube channel, because I have filmed more videos like this. Maybe you want to refresh your memory a little bit. Maybe you want to see somebody else's approach. However, thank you for watching. Don't forget to join the Discord too. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, and all the social media pages where we're pretty active. Thank you for watching and see you next time.